hitting the bell,
Miss Gibson,
and
why
letting
don't
me
you
know your
come up to
thoughts
the
in the
podium?
comments
I've got
below.
Pablo
I
in
read
the
everyone.
waiting room.
He has not appeared.
Oh, he hasn't? I thought he was here. Do you need him for anybody else?
No, I do not. And I have a staff member here that's able to assist as well.
Oh, yes. Let's see who you mentioned that to me. I don't know who else needs an interpreter. Giselle Gonzalez, I think she speaks English. Aidan speaks English. Jesus Alcantar, I think we may need an interpreter for him. Let me take care of Miss Gibson, and then she was here and she left. She's still here.
I just have two quick final pretrials.
All right.
And I was going to scoot upstairs.
All right, well, let's do Mr. Nieves. And good morning, sir. This is file 241818 SM, People versus Aidan Nieves. Charge here is assault and battery, 2 counts. Here with Tim George, his attorney. It appears we're going to set this for a final pretrial.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Mr. Nieves, are you still on Virginia Street?
Yeah.
What are you doing now? Are you working someplace?
Right now I'm just working for my parents.
Well, you owe me $600 or $550 in that MD malicious destruction disorderly case from last year. When did you last make a payment on that?
Well, I just got out of prison July 16th, so I've been gone for a year.
I guess so. I don't even know what to say about that. I knew that you went to prison, and I'll just leave it alone. You're smarter than that. And at some point, I hope you'll finally get everything in order. At any rate, are you on probation now?
I'm on parole.
To who?
Jeb. Downstairs.
All right. Yeah, I'm sorry to even hear that. You and I spent a lot of time making some progress and then going backwards and making some progress and going backwards. At any rate, these 2 A and B cases precede your prison sentence. So these are not parole violations, are they?
They were the basis. Yeah, they were the basis for the parole violations in prison.
So I just did a year for this.
All right. Well, we'll see what the prosecutor wants to do with it. But as far as this matter is concerned, you're free to go on about your business.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And I would like you to start to pay on that.
Yeah, as soon as I can get a job and Jeb approves it.
Okay. All right. This is Ms. Balazet, Sonny Balazet, false report of a misdemeanor. We discussed this at the arraignment here with her lawyer, Mr. Tim George. Same thing. We're going to set a final pretrial conference in this matter.
Yes, Your Honor. And Ms. Muselman advised me that that's her last name now, Musselman. But we just need to get some more information.
You look like you're dressed for work. You had your keys in your hand. You want to get back to work?
Definitely.
All right. Stay in contact with your lawyer. I don't believe you owe me any money. Lots of people do today. But You're good to go.
Thank you.
That will be on a Thursday at 2 o'clock. I don't yet know the date. Are you still at the same address in White Pigeon?
Yes.
Murray Avenue?
Yes.
All right, you're good to go.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I'm gonna duck out here for a minute and see if I need an interpreter for Giselle. I don't think I do, but I'm gonna ask for it.
All right, let's talk about that. Judge Middleton's docket in this session gave us a mix of return customers, new faces, and a judge who didn't hide his disappointment when defendants slipped backwards. The headline moment was Aidan Nieves, back in court on 2 counts of assault and battery about his address and employment. Nieves explained he was just helping his parents out, then admitted he had only recently gotten out of prison on July 16 after serving a year. Middleton paused, almost at a loss for words. He reminded Nieves that they'd spent plenty of time making progress in the past, only for him to slide back, then forward, then back again. The judge didn't scold harshly, but the disappointment was written all over his tone. He confirmed that the cases at hand were the very ones that had led to the parole violation and the prison sentence, and with that, told Nieves he was free to go about your business. As far as this matter was concerned, the exchange captured a recurring courtroom theme, a defendant stuck in a loop of starts and stops, and a judge who's seen it all before. Next up was Sonny Balazet, now going by Muselman, charged with filing a false report of a misdemeanor. She came de-arc, keys in hand, clearly eager to get back to her job. Middleton kept things brisk and professional. He set the case for a final pretrial conference, confirmed her address in White Pigeon, and let her head out. He even commented that while plenty of people owed him money that day, she wasn't one of them, which was his subtle way of lightening the tone. Compared to the frustration of the Nieves case, this one was procedural, efficient, and almost cheerful. What tied both moments together was Middleton's conversational style. He doesn't just tick boxes. He reminds defendants of past struggles, acknowledges when they look like they're working hard, and makes clear when he's disappointed. The courtroom atmosphere was calm, but you could feel the weight of the repeat offender cycle in Nieves' case contrasted with the straightforwardness of Balazet's. Time to break this one down. Judge Middleton balanced disappointment with efficiency, giving one defendant a quiet reality check and another a clean procedural path forward. If you found this hearing insightful, consider subscribing, hitting the bell, and letting me know your thoughts in the comments below. I read every one,